All right, welcome back to this week's technology training, and we're going to do this one in Canvas today. For those teachers that are teaching in Canvas, one thing that often I've been hearing of lately, especially, is we get a few students every once in a while that want to start doing some makeup work. But we don't want to make it too hectic or too crazy or open up everything so that students are confused and some are going back and you just don't know how to control it all right. And so one of the best ways to help a student do specified makeup work in past lessons is simply just to make that lesson available to just that student for a certain amount of time. I usually want to give them a deadline so that it's just not lingering forever and you don't know to go look back at it. If I had a student, let's say that missed and they needed to make up work from last week or before, I'm just going to use the example here of September 11th through 17th. Let's say that they missed and they needed to make up the work in 2 Corinthians 2 here. So what I would do is I would click on that lesson and then click on edit. We want to edit this. Now, most likely, this lesson, because it's in the past, it's already been open, now it's closed. Students don't have full access to it. If I scroll down to the very bottom, I see that this was assigned to everyone to do on September 13th, and it was available from and until. If I wanted now to open this back up again, just open it for one student, I'm going to click Add right here and scroll down, and you're going to see it comes up with who I want to add. I can just start typing in their name, or if they're on the list below of students, you can just click on them. So I'm just going to click on a student, but what would happen is once I click on that, it would show the student right here and assign to, and then I would just choose a new date. What's the new due date for this student specifically, and when am I going to have it available? It's going to be open from this date until this date, and you just go hit save over here on the right when you're done with that, and that student would now have availability or be able to get into that lesson and do it in what you set up for them right there. And so just communicate that back to them, and that's how you can do makeup work for just one student or a couple of students at a time.